Back on the trail, second day. Just walked in from the roadside park in M37 just south of White Cloud. And the goal is about 12-ish again today, and to end up at 3 Mile Road. I'm getting a late start, it's 10:30. Slack packing is nice because you don't have to carry weight, but yeah, it's hard to get out of camp because, we're camping in a van, a minivan, a cargo van, a Nissan NV200. So, but I'm not getting out of camp very quickly. It would have been so nice to be walking around 6 this morning. It was cold. And by the time I got my 5-6 hours in, it would have been just early afternoon. Instead, I'm leaving at 10:30. And I would guess we'll be finished around 4:30. And it's going to be warm then. And there's not much wind today. Very bright. Just had lunch on the side of Echo Drive. There is a bugless, sunless spot that fit perfectly for a backpack and my sit pad. So I got to lay down a little bit. Just about passed out, about halfway through the walk. And next stop is 3 Mile Road, where Jennifer will be meeting me in the van. We have more grilled chicken to eat tonight. Well, end of the day, last mile was hot, and John Prine got me through it. Going to start earlier tomorrow, so that'd be great. We'd be off the trail by 2 o'clock before maybe it hits the 90s. Going to hit the showers at the campground where we are one of 2 campers, so I'm going to pick a stall, pick the one he hasn't already picked, and then tuck in for the night, hopefully getting a good sleep.